Whether you're job hunting, building your brand, or growing a business, the first thing recruiters or clients are going to see are your LinkedIn profile. And when they do that, they're going to see your headline banner. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a LinkedIn banner that's clean, professional, and completely you. Let's dive right in. If you've been on this channel for any length of time, you know the first place we're jumping right into is Canva. And that's because in order to create this banner, we're going to use one of their pre-made templates. You can certainly start from scratch, or you can use their templates to guide your own creation. I know which one I'd rather do. So first up, we're going to come in here and search for the LinkedIn banner. It's the first thing that pops up when I clicked on link. So now I can choose from any one of these, and since it's native to Canva, I can edit just about everything on these banners. So if I choose this simple plain one, I can edit the names and it'll keep the same font. If I choose this mountain over here, I can keep the mountain and change just the text. What I'm looking for is something that'll show both me, my name, and a couple of things about me that we'll get to later. Since I'm a teacher, I can actually come up here and type in teacher, and I'll get specific LinkedIn banners specifically for teachers. So I'm looking for one that's a little more artsy and colorful and not quite like this, all bland. I want it to kind of stand out, but that's just me. So let's say I choose this because I like all the school supplies. All I'm going to do is I can either click into it or I can click the three dots and I can customize this template. I can also start. So if I have multiple that I want to choose from, I can do that as well. But I'm going to come in here and I'm going to customize this template. And each part of this, as you can see, as I scroll over, I can edit. So I can edit my name. I can edit my position. If I had a website, I could enter my website over here. I can even double click on the banner and I can adjust it or crop it anywhere. I can rotate it. And if I wanted to change it completely, I can go into elements, pick a background, and replace it just like that. I like the way it looks, so I'm going to keep that the same. But I can come in here, I can edit my name. I'll make this a little bigger so that it fits. I can edit this. I like to add a few things about me that'll stand out to school districts or somebody looking into my profile. So I can add my current job title. I can add a personal skill or something that I specialize in, or I can put in my own personal message or something that I want recruiters to know about me, like where I'm located, or to subscribe if you're really enjoying this video. But in all seriousness, if you are enjoying this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to see a full LinkedIn tutorial on how to set up your profile, how to find different clients or other people, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. But now that I have my profile, what I can do is I can click on share and export it. So I'll click on download. It's automatically set to a JPEG, and that's kind of going to depend on the banner that you choose. I usually set it to a PNG. So I'm going to click on PNG, click on download. I am a teacher, so I do have Canva Premium. So if any of these banners are not available to you, just become a teacher. But once I have my banner downloaded, I'm going to go into my profile. I'm going to click on the camera button. And unfortunately, I do have to actually upload the image. I can't just drag it like most modern sites. But I'll click add cover image. I can either choose an AI image from one of these or actually make it personable. So I'm going to click upload image. So now once I created my image, I can zoom it in, but I just created it specifically from Canva for LinkedIn. So I don't know why you would do that, but you could do that. You can adjust and add a filter to it if you want it to brighten it up. Although again, you could have done that in Canva as well. You can adjust it a little brighter. You can adjust the contrast as well as saturation. And then when you're all set, you click apply and voila. Now you got your own personal banner. That's it for this video. Like I said, if you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next. Otherwise, I'll catch you next time.